Valutrades. Welcome to the Valutrades Basic Trading course. This is a series of videos designed to launch the journey of beginning traders in every aspect of trading with Valutrades. In our 12th video, let's look at fundamental analysis. To understand what it is and how to use it, let's first look at what it is not. Very often we talk about technical analysis, which looks at how historical data is displayed on a chart and how we interpret this visual information to help us predict future price. Fundamental analysis is completely independent of charts and relates to how external factors will affect price in the short term and longer term. For example, equity traders will examine data from a particular company or industry sector, such as balance sheets, earnings reports, and many other forms of data, as they may affect the value of a company. Also, unexpected company or industry news, which may be perceived as good or bad, will also affect price. So, if we are trading Forex, how do we use this kind of data for a currency? Actually, the data exists, but in different forms. The central banks of each economy act to control their respective economies just as the board of directors would do in a corporation. The job of a central bank is to stabilize the economy and productivity of its economic region. They have to balance inflation, interest rates, exchange rates, supply and demand for goods and services, consumer spending, trade balance, etc. For example, when a central bank increases interest rates, its currency is then more valuable to those with cash, and therefore the price of the currency increases. When a central bank lowers interest rates, the currency becomes less valuable, but makes that country's goods and services more attractive for export, as they suddenly become less expensive due to the exchange rate. In this case, the economy may grow depending on the trade balance, which will then affect wages, employment, and inflation. If the economy grows too quickly or slowly, the central bank will then have to make key decisions about interest rates, investments, and bond buying. As we can see, the job of a central bank is a juggling act, and each organization will issue several reports each month affecting price. This is why we always refer to an economic calendar before trading. However, just like a corporation, sudden news will also affect the value of a currency. Three of the key fundamentals that we have to deal with are sudden announcements by high-ranking public officials, opinion polls, and geopolitical events like wars or hijackings. If these unexpected events occur when markets are closed, they often cause a gap in price action, but that is a topic for another lesson. That's all for now. In the next lesson, we will be looking at technical analysis. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.